Hey everyone, today we'll be making baked sushi. Here's what you need. Sticky rice, follow the instruction at the back of the bag, rice vinegar, sesame oil, furikake seasoning, sriracha, mayonnaise, mayonnaise, softened cream cheese, imitation crab, canned salmon, which I drain, bake in the oven 350 for 10 minutes to remove excess moisture, seaweed. So let's start with the toppings. Combine cream cheese, mayo, mix well. Then you add your imitation crab, make sure to preheat your oven 350, and I wash my hands too. You can add a little bit more mayo. Add your canned salmon. Add sriracha. I think it looks good, so we're gonna set it aside. Now we're going to do the rice. For the rice, we will drizzle rice vinegar, and sesame oil. It smells so good. I'm gonna add a little bit of the furikake seasoning, so it's in the rice. So you just make sure that you mix it well. good. Now you're just gonna have to flatten the rice. Sorry about that. Get too excited. Looks good. We can add a little bit more of the seasoning. I'm gonna put our toppings. Make sure it's covered well. Get a little bit more. So we will check, see if you can see the level. I think it's pretty good. I think add a little bit more if you want. Okay, and we will drizzle . We will put mayo racha. And a little bit of sriracha. There you go. We're ready to bake. Head to the oven. In the oven. For 10 minutes. And we'll wait. Seaweed. Go one more. There you go, baked sushi.